Good morning, students. Today we learn about trigonometric identities. Some formulae, very important formulae of the trigonometric identities. Formula number 1: sine of minus x cosec of minus x negative angle, tan of minus x and cot of minus x. Sine of minus x you can write minus sine of x. This is minus cosecant of x, and this is minus tan of x minus cot of x. But you know that cos of minus x is equal to cos x, very important, and secant of minus x, that is sec x. Okay. That's why this will happen, because in that there are four quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all t ratios positive. T ratio means trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, like this. All t ratios positive, all positive. But in second quadrant, sine theta and cosec theta positive. Other t ratios negative in this quadrant. And in this quadrant, tan theta and cot theta positive, other t ratios negative. And in this quadrant, cos theta and sec theta positive, other t ratios are negative. Clear? You know that first quadrant angle 0 to 90, and second quadrant 90 to 180. It means in this quadrant 90 minus theta lies, but in this quadrant 90 plus theta, or you can say 180 minus theta, right? But in third quadrant 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta, third quadrant. And in fourth quadrant 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. But when complete one cycle, then 360 plus theta goes in quadrant number 1. Clear? So you know that in case of 90 and 270, T ratio change. T ratio change. Changed how? Sin theta change into cos, and cos theta into sin. Tan theta change into cot, and cot theta into tan. Sec theta into cosec, and cosec theta into sec. Theta should change. But you know that in when the case is 180 and 360, when the case is 180 and 360, T ratio not change. T ratio not change. T ratio not changed. This is the diagram. Now we know that void is positive. Void is positive. Then you know that they go in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the coordinate of the point is x minus y. X minus y, and this is angle minus x. Minus x. PAO. Suppose you want to find cos of minus x. Cos of minus x. Cos, you know, in this triangle, cos of minus x, you want to find cos x. And you know that cos is the base upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular. You know that Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Boli. You know very well about these points. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sin theta. Base upon hypotenuse, cos theta. And perpendicular upon base, tan theta. So according to this result, can you tell me cos x? Cos x is OA upon OP. OA upon OP. O, you know that is x, and OP, when you apply Pythagoras theorem, OP is x square plus y square. X square plus y square. It means this is positive term. Positive term. So therefore you can say cos of x. Same meaning. Cos of minus x, that is cos of x. Similarly, you can say sec of minus x. Sec of minus x, OP upon OE. OP upon OE, the same procedure, positive. And you know that in fourth quadrant, cos and sec also positive. Cos and sec also positive. And in other 4 T ratios, negative. Yeah. So this is the important point. Next, we learn because third formula, sine of 2n pi plus x is equal to sine x. In this formula, n belongs to z. N belongs to z. Cos x, cos 2n pi plus x, that is also cos x. All t ratios, this formula for all t ratios, tan of 2n pi plus x is equal to tan x. Cot of 2n pi plus x, that is cot x. And sec of 2n pi plus x, that is sec x. And cosec of 2n pi plus x, that is equal to cosecant x. 2n pi, it means 2 pi into n. 360, 2 pi means 360. 360 into 1, 360 into 2, 360 into 3, like this. You can apply this formula. For example, suppose you want to find sine 765 degree. Suppose you want to find sine 765 degree. You can break you can break 2 pi into n. 2 pi into n. 2 pi mean 360. N mean integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you can write. So here you can write 360 into 2. 360 into 2. That is 720. 720 plus what? 720 plus 45. So this is 2 pi. This is 2 pi and this is n. This belongs to n. Integer. In this place you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Any integer. Then apply this formula. According to this formula, sine 2n pi plus theta. This is theta. This is x. So you can write sine 45. And the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. This is the solution of this question. You can apply this like this. Correct? Okay. Thank you.